Hey everybody, what's going on? So welcome back. Today's episode is going to be a little bit of questioning a process that, to be honest, is my first time really going through. I'm looking for a tune. So through the magic of the internet, I've come across two sources of tune for the Jetta. One is through APR, which offers a 205, 209 horsepower tune, versus a stage 1. And then Euro Tuning offers a stage 1, stage 1 plus, stage 2, stage 2 plus, etc. and can be semi-customized to whatever you're looking for. Either one can involve sending out your ECU, as well as finding a local dealer to take your car to, have it installed within 10-15 minutes via OBD2 port flash. My thing is, I want something that obviously I can have on the road every day, which gives me a little bit of pep, isn't going to beat up on the car too much, but at the same time, when I want to open it up, it'll be it'll be fun. The one concern that I have is that I might be missing out on something. Like I said, this is my first time really looking for a tune on a vehicle. The first time I've had an opportunity to look for a tune on a vehicle, so I want to make sure that I'm not missing out on anything that could possibly be out there. I've been looking through the forums and everybody keeps pointing me towards Euro Tuning. So, or even possibly just going to a performance shop that has a dyno, allow them to install a map to see where everything is sitting at, and then let them make tweaks and adjustments as they go. And then on the other side of this is just stick with the flash that is readily available on sites like ECS, Black Forest, Euro Tuning, USP Motorsport, companies like that, where it's basically plug and play and you're ready to go all day. So let me know down in the comment section what you guys think, what route I should go, and if you've come across anything that you think will work out better. Also, we gotta keep in mind that I still have like two things that I still want to do to the car before I get the tune. So everything is copacetic, which is going to be installing the aftermarket muffler, which I did the unboxing for, which if you guys didn't see that, I will put that link down into the description. And the other one is I'm going to be upgrading my side mount intercooler. I know. Swap it out for a front mount intercooler. But that's not the style that I'm going for. I'm going for something mildly subdued, street fun, and something that just by looking at it, you wouldn't know that I did anything. AKA what we old guys call in the 90s, asleep.